We're live.
Flip me around. Oh, whatever. There we go.
We're strategically frosting.
I'm not in deep enough.
AJ's not in deep enough, but we're strategically frosting our fried Twinkie process. Up next on the list.
21 ready. I just set it there.
Just out of here.
Yeah. Up next on the list, fried ice cream. Pretty stoked.
Awesome. Awesome.
Everything's shot with the fabulous iPhone. The finest quality.
Right here. I need you to come here. Wow. Oh, brewing too much.
Hey, buff it up with a little bit of flour. That's a little runny. Look about that.
Look at that consistency. That's quality.
This is perfect.
Sorry.
AJ, you gotta come rotate.
I had a drink. Uh-oh. The other side all came off.
Way easier.
I can always put it down so you can finish the top off.
Okay.
You're fucking the shit.
Let me do one side.
We ready for frying?
That was too thick. This thin one's gonna work way better. What? I thought that was the camera in my hair. Wait.
I got it.
Oh, baby. Does the other one stay down?
Yeah.
Only the healthiest thing we've ever made.
That's hot.
Does it not taste good by itself?
Actually,
What are you doing?
that way they don't stick. Your battery is working.
Let's wash this plate off a little bit so we can put it on this one.
That one's not staying down.
Flip it.
That's in there. What is?
No, wait,
Coffee maker?
no, this.
Oh,
Wait, how long have they been in there?
I have an account.
Check it out.
Let's go over it. Oh, they're not done yet.
That one's kind of a floater. Doesn't want to stay.
God damn it.
Only if the bike. Too bad this camera can zoom.
Yeah, you can't zoom on the video.
Yeah, I know. It's gay.
That's good. Joyce can.
No, you can't.
Uh-huh.
Whip it out. I don't believe you.
Don't tell them to whip out.
No, good call. You can't see it. You can't zoom in video. In video?
You have to do it beforehand. You can't zoom in during the video.
Well, no, yeah, I can do that.
Oh. You can?
I'm assuming they can. I paid a lot of money for this phone. I hope it does.
Can't afford it.
I thought you can, if you can zoom all it.
Zoom. Record. Yeah, once you're recording, you can't.
That's gay.
Oh, actually, wait. Okay, watch this. Record. The fuck? Oh, see? Ha! I can do it and record.
Hold
You know
on.
what we're doing at the fair this year?
I can zoom in and out.
What are we doing with the fair this year?
Buying some professional.
No. Mike says they sell them for $3.
$100 a pop.
$2.50. It's all
Two-
$2.50.
Well, short of 50 cents. And all fucking rape. We're gonna need more fryers though.
Yes. I'll have one by then.
Done.
I wish I could tell.
I'm sorry.
That'll be alright.
Should have left
They're
out.
gonna come out of there?
Should have kept them spinning.
They're fucking greasy, man. That grease is what burns the fuck out of you. Fuck. AJ's just gonna reach in there and pile drive one.
Hold on, we gotta take a picture. I gotta eat these before we cook more because
I'll hold them.
Hold on.
Fuck.
Oh, we're gonna get something to go over.
What do you need?
I don't want to make a mess. What's that gonna do?
I don't know. What are we trying to do?
Eat it over something so don't make a mess.
You don't get a plate.
Huh?